I'm a pulmonary critical care physician here in Johnstown, Pennsylvania, and I'm an American Pakistani, and I wholeheartedly support Imran Khan, and I'm hoping for democracy to prevail in Pakistan.
Hello, my name is Dr. Hamza Sheikh. I'm an endocrinologist here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I support PTI and Imran Khan to establish rule of law in Pakistan.
This is Salah Qureshi. I'm a psychiatrist in Houston, Texas. I fully support Imran Khan, who's fighting to save Pakistan's democracy. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Saqib Ahmed, one of the hematology oncology physicians based in Columbia, Missouri. I strongly support Imran Khan's struggles to restore democracy and get free and fair elections in Pakistan. I see that is the only solution in order to restore peace and prosperity in our homeland. Thank you.
Nizam Mohammed from Washington, D.C., American Pakistani Physician. We are supporting Imran Khan for his struggle for real democracy in Pakistan, and we are concerned about human rights issue in Pakistan.
Hi, my name is Dr. Muhammad Arshad. I'm practice dentistry in Philadelphia. I support Imran Khan for his struggle against injustice and supremacy of the law.
I'm Ghazala Ahmed, neonatologist, Orlando, Florida, and I wholeheartedly support Imran Khan for his efforts to restore democracy, human rights, and rule of law in Pakistan, and I urge the U.S. Congress to do the same.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Amir Khan, practicing in Maryland. I would like to express my support for Imran Khan for his dedication to eradicate corruption from Pakistan. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Shagufta Firdaus from Dallas, Texas. I fully support Imran Khan and fair and free elections in Pakistan.
Hi, I'm Dr. Bushra Dahar. I'm a family medicine physician practicing in Minnesota for the last 30 years. I truly believe in democracy and protecting human rights. This is why I strongly support Imran Khan.
Hi, I'm Ahmed Salman Qadir, Palm-Crit sleep medicine physician here in the DFW area, and I support Imran Khan and his struggle for true democracy, rule of law, and fair and free elections in Pakistan.
I am Muhammad Afzal. I work as a nephrologist in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I support Imran Khan. I support his struggle for democracy and rule of law in Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.
Hi, my name is Bilal Alam. I'm an interventional cardiologist in Ohio, and I support Imran Khan in his mission to strengthen democracy and accountability in Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jamil Abbasi. I'm a graduate from Ayub Medical College, Abbottabad, and currently working as internal medicine critical care physician in Fort Worth. I'm the medical director of critical care unit here, and I fully support Imran Khan for his efforts.
Hi, my name is Rahir Alam, and I'm a hospital medicine and emergency medicine physician in the DFW area. I support Imran Khan in his struggle towards freedom, democracy, and rule of law. I also echo his concerns regarding free and fair elections. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afan Akhtar, a physician in northern New Jersey. I'm a supporter of Imran Khan because his actions, his intentions, and his results have always been for the people.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Asif Kasrani. I'm the psychiatrist in St. Louis, Missouri area, and I have been here for 25 years or so. Strong supporter for Imran Khan and Hakiki Azadi. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jalil Khan, and I'm supporting Imran Khan from Dallas, Texas.
Okay, thank you.
ये बाजी सच की बाजी है, ये बाजी हम ही जीतेंगे, इंशाल्लाह.
Hi, my name is Dr. Waqas Nawaz, and I'm a gastroenterologist in Ohio. I support Imran Khan because he represents me. He has the dare to say what I can only think and then hide. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Kausa Jabbar, GI Medical Director, Associate Medical Director, Molecular Pathology here at Royal Oak, Michigan. I support Imran Khan for a near, very prosperous, peaceful Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Emma Khadak, an interventional cardiologist from the state of Ohio. I strongly support Imran Khan in his struggle to reclaim the lost sovereignty of Pakistan by empowering masses and strengthening democratic institutions like media and judicial system.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Sama Said Faruqi. I'm a radiologist. I fully support Imran Khan for his honesty and his effort towards combating corruption and prevailing rule of law. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dr. Saira Bilal, and I'm a rheumatologist in DMV area. I support Imran Khan towards his efforts for true democracy and freedom in Pakistan.
My name is Syed Zain Ayaz. I'm a pulmonary critical care physician here in Johnstown, Pennsylvania, and I'm an American Pakistani, and I wholeheartedly support Imran Khan, and I'm hoping for democracy to prevail in Pakistan.
Hello, my name is Dr. Hamza Sheikh. I'm an endocrinologist here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I support PTI and Imran Khan to establish rule of law in Pakistan.
This is Salah Qureshi. I'm a psychiatrist in Houston, Texas. I fully support Imran Khan, who's fighting to save Pakistan's democracy.